Hello everyone, welcome to Redway Power. Today at Redway Power we are going to explore one of our products. You see on this side we have our lithium battery rack system. This rack system contains multiple lithium batteries. Let me take you a look inside. Inside you see two lithium battery modules, this one and you see this one. This one is the Redway Power 51.2 volts with 100 ampere hour capacity, and it has an energy capacity of 5.12 kilowatt hours. We have another product. This one is the Redway Power 48 volts 50 ampere hour with 2.4 kilowatt hour capacity. This lithium battery rack system can support up to 16 units in parallel, and you can use these positive and negative terminals with these positive and negative terminals to connect with each other. Obviously 48 volt battery are connected with the 48 volt versions, and 51.2 volt batteries are connected with the 51.2 volt versions. Both of these batteries have different communication ports. As you can see here, you have RS458 and 485, you have the CAN protocol, you have RS485, RS232, and other than that you have state of charge with alarm and the SW buttons. You also have a power button here that you can turn on and turn off.